Every year, our organization conducts an activity specifically for promoting children's rights. This year, we organize an activity focusing on street children, and we call it Kariton ng Pag-asa. Kariton ng Pag-asa, meaning the Cart of Hope, is inspired by the Kariton classroom of Sir Efren Peña Florida. He was named as the CNN Hero of the Year in 2009 by his initiative of providing alternative education and food to disadvantaged children with the aim of encouraging them to attend and return to school. We are inspired by him to take the initiative to bring a glimpse of hope to the children outside our community. The primary purpose of Kariton ng Pag-asa is to provide cooked meals, hygiene kits, and storybooks to vulnerable street children around Malabon using a kariton or a pushcart. Anyone can give, but through this activity, we want to give something without expecting in return. So we gathered funds through our partner organizations and sponsors like Brother Louie of Fiat Family and Save the Children Philippines. We pinpoint 3 areas where we will conduct the street children reading camp sessions. Those are the areas that we will read stories for children. The activity started at the Santo Niño Street. From our community, we began to give food to all street children we passed through. Then we headed over to the stations where we sing, dance, and read stories for children. And each time we give them something, it was fulfilling. The smiles on their faces when we offered the gifts were priceless. Through this activity, we learned that by giving out what you have without expecting anything in return, you start living a meaningful life. You will ultimately find yourself in peace and happiness. That is the magic of selfless giving. Here are the unique stories of our volunteers regarding their experience in Kariton ng Pag-asa.
Ako po si Marinol de Lima, 21 years old, at treasurer ng Santo Niño Youth Council at Fiat Scholar. Yung experience sa Kariton ng Pag-asa, nakakapagod siya honestly. Kasi naglakad tayo ng malayo sa arawan, may dala tayong mga foods and mga books na para sa mga bata gamit yung kariton. Nakakapagod siya, yes, pero fulfilling siya during the activity. Kasi bihira lang natin may experience yung ganong klaseng activity eh. Actually, ito yung first time na lumabas tayo ng community para gawin yung activity na yun. And thankful tayo kasi may mga taong tumulong sa atin para maging successful yung activity natin. Kasi kahit sabihin natin na meals lang pinabigay natin, malaking bagay na yun sa ibang tao, lalo na sa mga street childrens na kailangan pang manlimos para lang magkaroon sila ng pangkain sa araw na yun. Actually, may isang street children na natandaan ko na lumapit sa akin right after na mabigyan ng meal. Sabi niya, "Ate, pwede bang makahingi pa ako ng isa pang meal para lang po sa kapatid ko kasi hindi pa po siya nag-aalmusal." So, ayun, binigyan naman natin siya ng meal. And yung encounter na yon, sobrang ikli lang niya, pero na-realize ko na sobrang blessed natin. Kasi, gigising tayo ng umaga, may nakahanda ng breakfast para sa atin, or kung hindi man, afford nating makabili ng breakfast. Pero sa mga batang yun, kailangan pa nilang manlimos para lang may pangkain sila. Sana in the future, yung mga batang nakasama natin, yung mga nakausap natin, sana maging okay yung buhay nila. Sana yung sitwasyon nila ngayon, sana yung mga pinagdadaanan nila ngayon, maging motivation yun para maging matapang sila at lumaban sila sa mga buhay. Kasi I'm sure na hindi papabayaan ni God yung ganong sitwasyon nila, and I'm sure na may mga taong tutulong sa kanila na makapagpabago ng mga buhay nila. Basta isurrender lang nila kay God and maniwala sa Kanya. Sa mga makakapanood po ng video na to, in God's grace, sana maging instrumento po tayo ni God para makatulong po sa mga batang nangangailangan. Katulad ko po, isa rin po ako sa mga batang hindi pinalad sa buhay and meron pong mga taong tumulong sa amin sa Fiat Scholars. Yun nga po yung scholars ng Fiat family. Sila po yung naging instrumento ni God para tulungan kami. And I'm sure sa mga batang nakasama natin, meron ding mga taong tutulong, magiging instrumento ni God para mapabuti yung kalagayan nila.